Hello guys, welcome back for another awesome video of Night Crows. So today we're just gonna show you the skills and its animation. So we're gonna go ahead and figure out kung ano yung skill na yon and ano yung itsura niya. Okay, so mag-start tayo sa Disruption Arrow. The character inflicts damage on a target and decreases the target's stats with a further increased chance for 10 seconds. So, check natin. So, Disruption Arrow. Okay. So, isa pa. So, ang ginagawa ng skill na to is may chance siyang magkaroon ng minus defense dun sa titirahin mong character or monster sa game. One more. Okay. Alright. Yan. So, that's the animation of Disruption Arrow. Next is Windstorm. The character inflicts damage on a target and triggers the push state with an increased chance. So, ito yung pang-push ng mga sniper. So, let's try it. So, yun yung animation nun. So, let's do it again. So, aside from pushing the enemy, may chance siyang parang stun. So, helpful din siya sa mga pagtakas. Okay. So, next is Erosion. So, Erosion is an epic skill. The character inflicts heavy damage on a target and removes 10% of target's mana with a certain chance. So, check natin yung animation. Okay, one more. So, parang mana burn siya. Pag nag-activate siya, mababawasan ng mana yung ka-PBF mo or yung mobs. I'm not sure kung may mana talaga to. Yun. So, yun yung animation ng Erosion. So, next would be Arrow Rain. The activation effect lasts for 30 seconds. Activation effect: upon a successful hit, the character inflicts bonus damage on a target with an increased chance. So, ito yung medyo maganda visually, yung Arrow Rain. Yan. So, parang meron kang aura. Tapos may maliliit na arrow na lalabas na. So, check natin yung animation. So, you will notice yung maliliit na arrow na color blue. So, yun yung itsura niya. Okay, so testingin naman natin siya sa mismong character. So, tingnan natin kung anong itsura niya. Ito yung sunod-sunod guys na skill. Kailangan natin mag-cooldown. So, if you notice yung Arrow Rain, medyo matagal siya mag-cooldown. So, testingin na natin. So, Arrow Rain muna tayo. Disruption. Ayan, ganun yung tsura niya. So, subukan ulit natin. Ulit tayong konti. Okay. So, I hope meron na kayong idea kung anong itsura ng mga skill na bibili nyo in the future. Thank you so much for staying in this video. To my friends, subscribers, and fellow Night Crows friends, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Have a nice day.